Welcome to all. Today we see the sixth chapter PHP control statement. Get ready. In this lesson, PHP control statement chapter 6. In this lesson, the learning object are to understand the importance of conditional statement, to know different type of conditional statement in PHP, to know the basic fundamental logic creation using conditional statement. Already we learned in the first year JavaScript. Based on this we learn in the PHP program. My kind advice is I only give the theory only. The examples program in your book should be explained properly in our lab. Okay, watch the video carefully. Now we move to the lesson. What is PHP conditional statement is a 3-mark question to you. Like other programming language, PHP also allowed to write code that perform different action based on the result of logical or a test condition. Do you know very well? Testing condition, if condition, we simply call it test condition. Thus, you can create test condition in the form of expression that evaluate to either true or false, and based on this result you can perform this action. So the following statement in PHP help us to make decision. It means very simple. If check the condition, for example you check your age is greater than or equal to 18. It's an example to you. If it is true, it go to one path. If it is false, it go to the another path. In the PHP, we follow the 4 statement. What are they? If statement, if else statement, if else statement, switch statement. We learn one by one. What is if statement in PHP? If statement execute a statement or a group of statement if a specific condition is satisfied as per the user expectation. It means if you give the test condition 1, if it is true, it go to one path. If it is false, it go to the next path. So this is the simplest PHP conditional statement and can written in the following form. It means the syntax. The syntax for the if is if, give one condition and then the statement within the block. Examples program should be in your book. It should be properly explained in the lab. Okay, now we move to the next statement. If else statement in PHP is next one. The if statement evaluate a condition and execute a set of code if the condition is true, and another set of the code if it is false. You see the syntax. If one condition, if it is true, it go to the statement 1 statement. It means first you check the condition. If it is true, if condition is true, statement execute. Suppose if it is false, it go to the statement next one. Simply we say we learn as statement 1, statement 2 like this. If it is true, if the condition, first check the condition. If statement is true, it go to the condition 2 path. If it is false, it go to the else path. Okay, that's all. Then if else statement in PHP. If else statement is a combination of if else statement. It means more than one if. We simply call as if statement. Here multiple condition can be checked and action is based on the result of the condition. Means multiple condition, more than one. More than one we apply the if else statement. The syntax is if condition statement 1, else condition 2, statement 2 if it is true. Both are false if it is false. It means once again, if condition 1, the condition 1 statement is true, it go to the statement 1. Suppose if the condition is true, it go to the else statement condition 2. If it is false, both are false. It means condition 1 and condition 2 also false, it go to the else part. It means statement of if both condition is false. Okay, then last one, switch case statement. The switch case is the alternative to the if else if statement which execute a block of code corresponding to the match. It means alternative for the if else. See the syntax, very simple. switch n label is a variable. Case label 1, code to be executed n equal to repeats based upon the label number. It work label 1, label 2, label 3, default. It means label 1. If it is based upon the case label 1, it go to the n label 1. Break label 2. Label 2 if the worked. Label 3, it means based for, suppose I give the number, if it is I check the number, print 1, print 2, print 3. I give the number print 1. What else it take? It go to the label 1. It means I give the here print 1. Suppose I give the print 3. It means first case it check the label 1. No. Label 2 no. Straight away it go to the 3. Suppose I give the number 4. Default I give the print 4. First case no. Second case no. Third case no. Automatically it take the default. Like this the switch statement is, switch case is working. Okay. Before I conclude this session, once again I repeat. In this lesson we learn if statement, if else statement, if statement, switch statement one by one. See, students, my kind advice is go through the lesson thoroughly. If you have any doubt, give the text message properly. You go to the lesson based upon the book. I teach the lesson. Go to the lessons thoroughly. Don't worry if the examples is not shown here. If the proper examples should be given if we see in lab. Okay. Thank you.